What happened, Chase? Come on, you can do it.
I did it.
Well, you can get it.
Come on, just
Take your time. Do you need to take your jacket off?
hang on. See, Chase, you got it. You're strong. That's what you have to do to use your arms and everything. Oh!
Almost.
Try it again.
Try again. Daddy, can we climb that tree?
You can't climb that tree.
Yes, I can. I've done it before. I've done it 2 times. I've done it.
There you go.
Now you got it, Chase. Well, get up to that
Can you
part.
go to the next one?
No.
Why not?
Because
Try it.
we're down here. You're not going to fall.
I'll catch you.
Yeah, Daddy's right there.
Climb up to these limbs right here. Yeah, where that stick is at.
Stand on this one. No, this one.
Which one?
Right
This
here.
one over here.
And pull yourself up.
Yes, they are the dude right there. Oh, that's I think the branch is going to break.
No,
No, it
isn't.
won't.
That's not
It's
gonna
way too heavy, and you are way too light.
I can't get it.
break. Come around this way. Go under that one limb.
Which one?
That one you're holding on to. Go under that one.
There you go.
Now climb up to that one.
It's like rock climbing.
What if I fall?
Daddy's
You're
not
fall.
going to let you fall.
Do this thing.
Yeah, why don't you step on that?
Step on that. It's not going to break. See?
It's done.
It's not
Then Daddy will
gonna-
catch you.
Come on, pull around.
There you go. Man, you are high.
Now grab onto that
Awesome.
other limb up
I'm
there.
not going any higher.
Just get on that one.
Yeah, last one, and then you can be done. And
Yes,
Daddy will help
can.
you down.
Almost got it.
I can't get a good grip.
Yes, you can. Grab that limb up there.
There you go.
Yeah, that one.
Ooh, that's a good
now
one.
pull yourself up.
It's
Pull
gonna
up.
break.
No, it isn't.
I
That one's
promise
not
it
gonna
won't break.
There you go.
Awesome.
Keep going. Stand up.
I said it was the last one.
Okay, come on.
It was what? Oh.
I can get down.
Okay.
Oh, the gnats are bad.
You want me to climb it now?
It might break with Daddy, though.
Good.
Oh, my 20 foot. You're gonna fall.
Chase, what?
You're gonna fall, dude.
How are you going to get down, Brian? Nobody's there to...
Shoot, everybody back up. He's gonna die.
Look at Daddy.
Don't kill yourself.
Where's Hudson? Go get Hudson.
Hudson! Kill me! Hudson!
Lord. Hold on, they're coming.
Oh, shoot.
Look at Daddy.
Don't die, please.
Hudson!
Get out of that tree.
Oh, no.
What?
It's
Hudson at?
Hudson. Look at Daddy. He's around the front.
Oh, shoot.
Hold on.
Dad, keep staying there.
Where is he?
Hudson.
Hudson! Hudson!
Alright, let's take this freeze butt forward.
It is not. It's not. I promise it's not. Here he is. Here he is. Hudson, you missed it.